This is a summary of Jamaica's COVID-19 related data for day 52, Friday the 1st of May 2020.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The National Surveillance Unit of the Ministry of Health has reported that in the last 24 hours, 10 samples have tested positive for COVID-19. This brings the number of confirmed cases to 432. 341 samples were tested, bringing the total number of tests conducted to 4,779. Of the 10 new cases, there are 2 males and 8 females, ranging in age from 2 to 49. Of the 432 cases, 266 are females, while 166 are males. There have been 8 deaths, and of the 8, 5 are males, while 3 are females. 31 people have recovered, inclusive of 16 males and 15 females. This means that there are currently 393 active cases presently. Of the active cases, 248 are females, while 145 are males. There have been 35 imported cases. 140 cases are direct contacts of confirmed cases. There have been 9 cases of local transmission with no epidemiological link recorded, while 248 cases are still under investigation. This is a breakdown of the cases by parish. Anova is the only parish in the country yet to record any case of the novel coronavirus. St. James currently have 8 cases, 1 death and 4 recoveries. Trelawney 1 case. St. Anne 9 cases with 3 recoveries. St. Mary 9 cases. Portland 7 cases, 1 death and 1 recovery. St. Thomas has so far recorded 2 cases. The parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew have recorded 93 cases, 3 deaths and 6 recoveries. St. Catherine continues to lead the way with 251 cases, 1 death and 2 recoveries. Clarendon 33 cases, 1 death, 7 recoveries. Manchester 12 cases, while 7 people have recovered. St. Elizabeth 5 cases, while Westmoreland closes out the list with 2 cases, 1 death and 1 recovery. The age breakdown of the cases are as follows. In the 0 to 9 age group, there have been 28 cases, or 6.5%. The 10 to 19 age group has seen 48 cases, or 11.1%. 20 to 29, 173 cases, or 40%. 30 to 39 age group, 73 cases, or 16.9%. The 40 to 49 age group has recorded 38 cases, or 8.8%. The 50 to 59 age group has seen 38 cases, or 8.8%. The 60 to 69 age group has so far recorded 19 cases, or 4.4%, while the 70 to 79 age group has seen 15 cases, or 3.5%. Recoveries by age group: 20 to 29, 2 recoveries, or 6.5%. 30 to 39, 8 recoveries, or 25.8%. The 40 to 49 age group has seen 2 recoveries, or 6.5%. The 50 to 59 age group, 9 recoveries, or 29%. The 60 to 69 age group, 5 recoveries, or 16.1%. The 70 to 79 age group has seen 4 recoveries, or 12.9%, while the 80 to 89 age group has recorded 1 recovery, or 3.2%. Death by age group: the 0 to 9 age group has seen 1 death, or 12.5%. The 40 to 49 age group, 2 deaths, or 25%. 50 to 59 age group, 1 death, or 12.5%. 60 to 69 age group, 2 deaths, or 25%. And closing out the list, the 70 to 79 age group, also 2 deaths, or 25%.
teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.